All right, good afternoon, traders. This is your free video from seasonalswingtrader.com. Today is May 24th, 2018, Thursday before the long Memorial Day weekend. And we're looking at a couple of markets in the bean complex, the soybean complex, in the futures market. This chart here is an end-of-day chart in the July soybean meal. And what we're looking at is technical patterns, and that is the 1, 2, 3 top. And that is simply when we put in a 52-week high here, we've got a number 1. We retrace back down, put in a new swing low, which is the number 2 point. We retrace higher, but do not take out the number 1, and that gives us the number 3. So using this software here, I've got a 1, 2, and 3 point. And then what we'll do is look to get short on a break below the number 2 level. So that's exactly what our members did, is we took shorts below here at 381, and the way we measure our target and risk is the distance between the number 1 point and the number 2 point. You can see that's around $2,640. So our target here is going to be around 355, which takes us to these old resistance levels, which are now support. So we're targeting 355. Our initial risk on the trade is going to be up here above 407, and we're currently trading at 377.9. So here was the initial break. We came back up, tested this downtrend line, got rejected here at this mid-profile level, and we look to be working towards our initial target down here at 355. Notice that our proprietary toss scanner also picked up this 1, 2, 3 top. 1, 2, 3. Here's the entry with this stealth signal right here on mill. We're also looking for an inverse play in soybean oil. This is to the long side, so we have almost an intermarket commodity spread going on here. Long the July oil, you see 1, 2, 3, so we're long here at 31.50. If we go back to our chart with the drawing tool, we'll bring up soybean oil, July oil. We've got a 1, 2, 3, so we'll draw that using our tool. 1, 2, 3. We'll draw a trend line so you can see the break here. And then for our risk reward, it's going to be the difference again between the number 1 and number 2 point, only to the upside. So we're risking around $830 to make $830 on the first lot of trade. That's going to take us up here around 32.90. Looking from a seasonal perspective here, you can see the 3 and 5 year averages are pointing higher. Intermediate term to mid-June before rolling back over. We look at seasonality on soybean meal. Notice that we do favor to the downside heading into mid-June before we see a rebound into the later summer months. So that's what we've got going on in the member area for Seasonal Swing Trader. Short the soybean meal, long the soybean oil contract, looking to get a quick trade off and cut our risk. And we can also play these with futures options. So if you have any questions, shoot us an email at support@seasonalswingtrader.com. Hope everyone has a safe and happy Memorial Day weekend, and we'll see you on the next update. Traders, like what you see, want more trade ideas each week? Take a $7 30-day complete member access trial by clicking the link below. You'll have immediate access to analysis and seasonal trade ideas on over 35 commodity and currency futures markets, as well as coverage on all of the major stocks, exchanges, and ETFs in the U.S. marketplace. If you like us, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, like us on YouTube, and we hope to see you on the inside.